Let's get over to Freddie because we want to check on this potentially record-breaking heat that's going on.
Oh yeah, over the next couple of days. The other thing we have to worry about is we have an air quality alert, an ozone action day for today. This includes the Metro and Bastrop as well. So what does that mean for you? Well, the best things you can do in order to help out with this ozone action day is to carpool or walk or ride a bike. But of course, it is getting hot outside. Avoid any idling and conserve as much energy as you can and fill up your gas later in the day compared right in the middle of the day. That all of this can help out with this ozone action day. So keep that in mind as we look at your satellite and radar. We're still getting some cloud coverage, mostly in Gillespie County, Blanco County, Mason County, Llano County. But as far as if that helps us out with temperatures, it does not. Temperatures are continuing to rise. I'll zoom out a bit more. We still have a lot of cloud coverage essentially from about San Antonio up to San Angelo, starting to creep out towards the central Texas area. Current temperatures now 85 degrees in Austin, 89 degrees in Marble Falls, already reached 93 in Llano and 90 degrees in Mason, showing how hot it is now at this point. So we do have a heat advisory that's in effect from 1 p.m. until 9 p.m. on Wednesday. That's right. It kicks off today and lasts all the way through tomorrow as our temperatures are expected to reach 102 degrees in Austin, 106 in Marble Falls, 107 in Llano, and San Marcos, you're at 103, Georgetown to Round Rock to Pflugerville, around 103 degrees. The clouds, they'll come in, they'll go. We're expecting partly cloudy days over the next few days, but again, none of that is expected to help us whatsoever in terms of temperatures. We have a high pressure that's going to take hold, essentially, or that has taken hold, and just not letting go. That's going to continue with us through Wednesday into Thursday and all the way into the weekend as well. In fact, take a look at temperatures for tomorrow. A couple of degrees even hotter. Could we see an excessive heat warning in effect? That is a strong possibility, especially because our temperatures are expected to stay at some of these levels for hours, and that is definitely going to have an impact on us. We could hit a record not only today, not only tomorrow, but over the next few days. And in fact, Rich Segal and I were looking at some of the numbers. If we hit 105 degrees on Wednesday, that would be the hottest May record or temperature that we ever had at Camp Mabry. So that's something you need to keep in mind. The rain chance is very minimal, but we do have the chance of a spotty shower or two as we get into Saturday and Sunday as moisture returns. Let's go ahead and send it over to Rich Segal.
So we have been talking, especially for people that are new to the area, about the need to properly hydrate. And in line number 4, it says water, 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 water. But there are a few other things that you can use: coconut or infused water, electrolyte drinks, things that are not going to deplete your body but will actually add proper hydration. Now, if you're working or playing outdoors today, you want to start about 2 to 3 hours early by consuming about 17 to 20 ounces of whatever you are hydrating with, most of it being water, and then 8 ounces before you head on out. And then you will want to take about 8 ounces every 15 to 20 minutes. And along with this is that if you are outdoors for any prolonged period of time, a generous supply of sunscreen will be your best friend as well. And you'll want to get into a cool environment, take frequent breaks in this heat wave. An early heat wave for us, one that likely will be repeated a few times during the summer season. Avery?